green energy and soil health from Super Napier. My innovative to fight climate change. M.S. Swaminathan was the father of India's green revolution. So he told that if conservation of nature resources goes wrong, nothing else will go right. Green energy and soil health from Super Napier. My innovation to fight climate change by Dr. P.C. Patel, retired research scientist, Anand, Gujarat, India. So you can see here the Super Napier grass. It is a perennials. Once you planted, it remains for 5 to 7 years. The green forage productivity is 150 to 200 ton per acre in a 1 year. So you can harvest 6 cut in a year. Introduction, who I am. Hello, I am Dr. P.C. Patel, working to transfer agriculture and energy using Super Napier grass. So Super Napier for bio-CNG, from 100 tons of Super Napier green fodder, we produce up to 5,500 kg of methane daily, a clean renewable energy sources. So here I have depicted the pictures. So combined harvesting machine. So it not only harvest the crops of the Napier grass, but it chop the grasses. So there is no need grinding machine for chopping. Then it is a biogas digester. Then in third one, it is a methyl gas flame. Super Napier biopellet. So you can prepare not only the bio-CNG, but you can prepare from the Super Napier for the biopellet. So it is used for the fuel purpose. So we also convert Napier into biopellet, a clean, low emission fuel for industries. So here you can see that Napier grass dewatering screw press. So you know that Napier grass contain about 70 to 75% moisture. So before pelleting, we have to remove the water. So there is a special machine, Napier grass dewatering screw press, and the cost of that machine is about 35 lakhs. Then pelletizing machine. So you can prepare the from Napier grass by using pelleting machine. So pellet burning inside a biomass boiler. So you know that in India, government of India gave that at least you should have to use 7% biopellet, because we are knowing that in fossil there is a carbon coal, so the demand is increasing and when we are using the biopellet, then it helps in mitigation of the climate change. Then second innovation, biochar for soil health. So from agriculture waste, we make biochar that restores soil fertility, boost yield and capture carbon. So here I have shown you the biochar application in soil. So we should have to apply the biochar in soil. You know that biochar is inert matter. Once you apply, it remain in the field for 50 to 100 years. So I have conducted the trials so that biochar plus NPK on left side. So you show the higher plant height of the corn or maize crops, whereas in right side it is a control plot. So it is a not tall plant. So here the height is lower as compared to the biochar plus NPK. So here you can see that the control plot has only 100 centimeter of plant height of corn crop, whereas here we are getting 130 centimeter plant height. So climate impact and farmer benefit. Our innovative improve farmer income, reduce emission and fight climate change all at once. So climate change mitigation, reduce greenhouse gas emission, increase income benefit to the farmers, improve soil carbon, it enhance soil fertility, and you know that globally the biochar has been used in soil for the improve the soil fertility and soil sustainability. So looking to start a bio-CNG or soil restoration project need expert consultancy. So my name is Dr. P.C. Patel, research scientist. Phone number, WhatsApp number +91 9909022116. Email patelpc12@gmail.com. So it is my LinkedIn. So thank you. Let us build a sustainable green future together. So if you like my YouTube, then like it, share it, then don't forget to subscribe.